Hi, this is Kaan. You are watching my theory about why the universe is expanding with increasing speed. First, I will start with some information which we already know. According to Big Bang theory, almost 14 billion years ago, a very small thing appeared in emptiness and exploded, and the universe born. That's very detailed and long story. I will not talk deeper about that now, but the important thing is, even today, the explosion is expanding. I mean, the universe is expanding. I'm sure you realize the UFOs around here, don't worry about them. We know a physics fact which is called gravity. Few minutes later we will talk about the gravity, but first I would like to mention that the momentum of the universe right before the explosion and now are the same. Normally, it was expected that the mass center of the universe has to pull everything in and slow down the expansion, but it's measured that it doesn't happen. It was also reasonable if the universe was keeping its speed. Then we could have a theory that says, okay, the gravity formula works, but when there is a big distance like millions of light years between two objects, then the space-time becomes completely parallel and the formula doesn't work. There becomes no gravity anymore between each other, so outer parts of the universe are enough far away from the mass center, they don't affect from the central gravity and keep their own speed same. But for sure this is not our theory, because it's measured that the universe speed is increasing. Just before the theory is answered, I want to talk about the space-time. Space is three-dimensional, and Albert Einstein told us the time is fourth value. And with the space, it becomes four-dimensional. It's called space-time. Space-time is like a membrane. It's like a tight blanket. Any object on space curves the space-time. If we return back to gravity, we can say that the space-time curves results gravity. Basically, the objects fall in that curves. Here you can see the Earth is falling to Sun's curve, and the Sun is moving to Earth's. We almost lose the control here around here. The universe is getting bigger every second. If we freeze the time and look at the universe, we will see that it has a volume and shape and limit and borders. So, the theory is, at the edge of the universe, the space-time is curved down because of the objects which are close to the edge. That's because there is no force hanging up the space-time on the edge. The curve pretends like there is a huge mass out of the universe and pulling it. Here's the drawing with explanation. I would like to mention once more that at the edge of the universe, space-time mistakes itself, and the emptiness out of the space pretends like huge mass. That mass pulls the universe out with bigger force than the universe's own central gravity. That is why the universe is expanding with increasing speed. Thank you for watching.